Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your first Visual Basic Windows Form application project in Visual Studio 2015. So just open your Visual Studio IDE and go to File here and create New and click Project. And in here you will be able to see these options and choose the option which says Visual Basic. And in here you can see a different type of project you can make in Visual Basic, and we are going to choose this first option, which is Windows Form application, which is the desktop application, and click OK, and it's going to create the Visual Basic project for you. Now for the first time when you create your project, it will look something like this. Now in here you will see your blank form, and in this form you can design your stuff. You can resize this form and you can pick and place some items, which I'm going to show you in a moment. But on the right hand side you can see this section called Solution Explorer, where all your project will be there. So this is your project name, Windows application, and in here you have all the files related to your Visual Studio project. We have this file which is form1.vb, right? Now there is something called toolbox, and if you don't see this section here, on the left hand side you can see a section called toolbox, so you just need to click it and it will show you all the tools which you can drag and drop here. So just click this toolbox option and pin it. So just click this option which is pin, right? So click this pin here and it will permanently attach this section to the left side, right? Now in order to add these items, you can see in the toolbox we have so many items like buttons and text boxes and all the options related to this forms, right? So for example, I'm going to add a button, so I just need to drag and drop this button to my form, and this button will look like this. I can resize this button like this, and if I want to change the text on the button, I can just click this button, and in here you can see the properties. So I go to the property called text, and in here I can change the text of this button. For example, click me, okay, and the button text will be changed. And there are so many properties you can change for your tools here. For example, you can select this button and you can change the background or font size or foreground color, or if you want to add images, you can do everything from the properties. Okay, so for example, I want to change the foreground to something else. There are so many options like this, or from web I have these options. For example, I will choose this one and it will change the font color to the color I chose, right? For example, I want a little bit darker color, which is this one, and it will change it to this thing. Or for example, I want to change the font size. I can click to the property called font. I make it bold and make it a little bit bigger. Click OK and it will become bigger. Now in order to add the functionality to this button, for example, what we can do is you can select your button and double click on it. And when you double click on it, you will go to the code behind part of your form. So this is your form and this is the code behind for your form. So for example, I want to display a message when somebody clicks this button. So what I can do is I can add a message box here and then click dot show, and this is the function, inbuilt function, which helps us to show or display some message. Okay, so just add these two double quotes, and inside whatever you add as a text inside these two double quotes, it will be displayed as a message. For example, this is my first VB code, okay, And remember, you don't need any semicolon or anything at the last. You just need to write it like this. Okay, so now everything is set and we are ready to run our project. So save everything and then just click this start button from here. Okay, so this is a green button like this, so just click it and it's going to compile our project, and if there is no error, it's going to run our project. So now you can see our form is running now. This is the design we have created, and there's only one button here, and when I click this button, click me, it's going to show me this message called "This is my first VB code." So in this way you can create your first Visual Basic project in Visual Studio 2015. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.